Hi, I'm Alex, and you're watching 101 ways to use a multi-tool on tour. So come on, follow me. So here I have the Smart Carbide Segment Blade. Now this blade is ideal for removing grout between tiles as it has a 5mm thickness. So let's get straight into it. So some of the key benefits of having a carbide tip blade, as you can see, it was effortless, especially on the vertical motion. Now having a radius or arc blade, it makes it that bit easier. If you notice the hand gestures as going down, letting the blade do the work for you without forcing it. This is Alex. You'll be watching 101 ways to use a multi-tool blade on tour. Catch me on the next job.